saw my father drifting further and further from a man. He was no longer my dad. He was a duck.
Do I really look like a guy with a plan? Stand up, you disgusting little cockroach!
I shall have the prefects chase you down the corridor and out the front door with hockey sticks.
Your week is level 1. Your fire is level 10, right?
The Jeffco Theatre Fest, it's a super fun festival that helps young actors in middle school and high school expand their acting technique. It helps them expand their knowledge of acting and like how to act. It's really useful. I like it.
Any choice you make that is authentic is the right choice.
We bring in presenters, we set it up so students can perform for one another and see each other's art from different schools. It's just a great opportunity for students to share the art of theater.
How many of you love to write? Raise your hands.
Yes, Erica, you had nothing to do.
I performed a solo musical for people. I then went to their commercial workshops where we learned about like commercials and how that's done in like the film industry. And then I just actually got out of the dance hip hop class, which was really, really fun.
There's a lot of variety of workshops that we have. Some are really intense. They're doing dance workshops where they're learning choreography from professional dancers. Some of them are technical theater focused, so we've got stage management, costume design. Some of them are acting focused.
But I want to give you a power stance. So you
Like fighting stage fright and getting over the fear of getting in front of people to perform. There's one stage combat workshop where students learn how to fight each other using stage combat, so it's really safe. They make it look real. If they're doing their job, people might be concerned, but everybody's going to be safe and okay.
I've met some new people, I've made some connections and stuff, and it's just really nice and really cool.
Students, especially in theater, are just so supportive, they're kind, they're generous. They all have that common goal of we are here to create together, we are here to learn from one another, we are here to take risks and just explore our creativity and our imagination. It's so fun to see what the students have to offer and to share.
Come and find me, lying.
When you can see everyone come together for all the different schools for everything, it really does feel like a community. It's awesome just to know that there are other people out there, there are other schools out there that like to do the same thing I'm doing. It's awesome.